All right, this is the S&P 500 one-day reading for July 20th, 2022. It's currently June 21st, 2022, 8:57 p.m. Congress is highlighted. That's the main theme or highlight for the day. Congress. Generally, there's two different type of patterns that I see with the Hierophant card. The Hierophant card is a holding pattern, and then you have a big move in one direction, or it's a move higher followed by a retracement. But Congress is highlighted. If it's not Congress, it'll be a foreign legislative agency of some sort. Behavior on the high, we have the strife card. So we'll spike up to meet a resistance level, and then we'll break down from there with consecutively lower spikes on the way down. Generally, those spikes will meet moving averages as resistance. And the low for the day of the 20th is going to form when we meet that resistance, and then we break down with increasing volatility as we move further down to reach the low. We have in the pre-market, we have a period of volatility with a sudden move, sudden drop or sudden dip in that period of volatility, and then there is a notable move prominent on a one-day chart. There's a notable move to the upside right around the open out of a low or a prominent trough for the day. There is a fake out there, however. There's a lot of movement. Price movement and price action there, and there's a fake out, it looks like. So be very careful, an intentional fake out or shake out of some kind. My sense is to make us jump in on the bullish end prematurely. We have what appears to be a crest or a minor peak here around 10 o'clock, another one possibly around 10:45-ish. 10:45-ish. Check out my notes here. Yeah, a lot of movement, even here around the 10:45-ish mark, and it looks like we break down. Interesting. So we break down from a crest. We break down through support, meet a secondary support, bounce along that, and then break down through multiple supports. But then a rally commences somewhere around the 10:45, 11 o'clock mark as well. Trade opportunity in there in the midst of another prominent trough or low for the day between roughly 11 and 12, and a notable move to the upside on a one-day chart out of that low or crest. We have that highlight, the Congress highlighted midday. It looks like there's a trade opportunity there, a cash-in opportunity, and Congress will be highlighted. Looks like the trade opportunity either continues or we have a quick day trade here. The trade opportunity, if it continues, it'll continue into the let's say 2 o'clock hour. I think it may be a quick day trade, however. That's what I'm picking up on. Between roughly 1 and 2, we have sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend that precedes a decline. Between 2 and 3, there's 3 pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp decline off of that third poke. And then we have another move, Aeon card, a big move to the upside in the last hour. Generally, Aeon pushes the upper end of a range higher, and we would do so right around the close. There's a rally along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, meeting a secondary resistance, and then pulling back to somewhere between the two price levels. There could be a sharp dip in the midst of that rally that stands out. And then we have that in the post-market, a decline that continues, that increases in momentum as we move forward through time. The sneak preview card for the following day is oppression, so we'll be range bound tomorrow, or a range is an important highlight, maybe breaking a range. We'll have to look closer. And that's July 20th, 2022. Guys, hit that like button. Let me know what you think of these. You're getting it first on TikTok right now, guys. We're recording it live on TikTok for post on YouTube tonight. Hit the follow, hit the subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, when you make that money, pay it forward. That's how you keep it rolling. I'll see you on the next one.